Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Reconnecting with someone who may be ghosting you can be an emotionally challenging experience, often stemming from the pain of breakups, separations, or unfulfilled connections. These situations can leave us feeling vulnerable, confused, and even rejected as we grapple with the loss of communication and intimacy. It's essential to recognize that relationships are deeply influenced by energy and vibration. The emotional states we embody can significantly impact our connections with others. Understanding this dynamic can empower us to shift our own energy, making us more attractive to those we wish to reconnect with. By focusing on self-awareness and emotional healing, we can create a positive environment that encourages reconnection. In the following sections, we will explore practical strategies to help you attract that person back into your life, fostering a renewed sense of connection and understanding that can lead to a more fulfilling relationship. In relationships, a negative wall of energy refers to the emotional barriers that can hinder reconnection, often stemming from unresolved feelings, past traumas, or negative thought patterns. This wall can create a heavy atmosphere that repels rather than attracts, making it difficult to foster meaningful connections. Our personal vibration plays a crucial role in this dynamic. When we resonate with negative energy, we inadvertently push others away, limiting our ability to draw someone back into our lives. To overcome this challenge, it is essential to identify and address our personal emotional blocks. This involves introspection and self-awareness, allowing us to recognize the fears, insecurities, or resentments that may be influencing our energy. By actively working to heal these emotional wounds and raising our vibration, we can dismantle the negative wall of energy, paving the way for reconnection and a more positive relational experience. The law of need suggests that excessive need can often repel rather than attract in relationships. When individuals exhibit a strong sense of neediness, it can create an imbalance that makes potential partners feel overwhelmed or pressured. This excessive need often stems from a lack of self-worth and independence, which can hinder the ability to form healthy connections. For instance, neediness may manifest in constant texting or seeking validation, leading to feelings of suffocation for the other person. Additionally, individuals may find themselves obsessively worrying about their partner's feelings or actions, which can create an atmosphere of anxiety rather than security. To attract love effectively, it's crucial to cultivate a sense of self-worth and independence, allowing for a more balanced dynamic. By focusing on personal growth and self-fulfillment, individuals can create a magnetic energy that draws others in, fostering deeper and more meaningful relationships. Transforming your internal narrative is essential for fostering a positive mindset and attracting the outcomes you desire. Begin by shifting from a mindset of loss to one of abundance. Instead of focusing on what you lack, recognize the wealth of opportunities and experiences available to you. This shift can significantly enhance your emotional well-being and open doors to new possibilities. The power of positive affirmations and self-talk cannot be underestimated. By consciously replacing negative thoughts with uplifting statements, you can reshape your self-perception and boost your confidence. For example, affirming your worthiness of love and happiness can create a more empowering internal dialogue. Additionally, visualizing a successful outcome plays a crucial role in this transformation. Picture yourself achieving your goals and reconnecting with others, as this mental imagery can help manifest those desires into reality. Embracing these practices, you can cultivate a more optimistic and abundant internal narrative that attracts positive experiences. Giving space to the other person is crucial in fostering healthy relationships, as absence can often create desire and longing. When we allow someone the freedom to miss us, it can reignite their interest and appreciation for our presence. Instead of obsessing over the other person, it's essential to focus on your own life, pursuing personal interests and goals that bring you joy and fulfillment. This not only enhances your self-worth, but also makes you more attractive to others. To maintain a healthy emotional distance, consider setting boundaries for communication, such as limiting texts or calls, and engaging in activities that promote self-growth. Additionally, practice mindfulness to stay present and avoid dwelling on the past or future uncertainties. By prioritizing your own well-being and giving the other person space, you create an environment where both individuals can reflect and potentially rekindle the connection in a more balanced and meaningful way. Improving self-concept and independence is vital for fostering healthy relationships and personal fulfillment. One effective strategy is to engage in self-care and personal development, which can include activities like meditation, exercise, or journaling. These practices not only enhance your well-being, but also help you cultivate a deeper understanding of yourself. Pursuing hobbies and interests independently is another powerful way to boost your self-concept. Whether it's painting, hiking, or learning a new language, these activities can provide a sense of accomplishment and joy that enriches your life. Additionally, embracing self-love is crucial. Recognizing your own worth allows you to set healthy boundaries and attract positive relationships. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and practice positive affirmations to reinforce your self-esteem. By prioritizing self-care, exploring your passions, and nurturing self-love, you can build a strong foundation of independence that enhances both your personal growth and your connections with others. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential for overall well-being and personal growth. One effective way to cultivate this mindset is through daily affirmations and establishing positive morning routines. Start each day by reciting uplifting statements that reinforce your self-worth and goals, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Recognize that your thoughts and feelings significantly impact your personal energy. Negative thinking can drain your vitality, while positive thoughts can elevate your mood and outlook. Promote positive vibrations. Engage in activities that uplift your spirit, such as practicing gratitude, meditating, or spending time in nature. Physical exercise like yoga or dancing can also release endorphins, enhancing your emotional state. Additionally, surrounding yourself with supportive and positive people can further amplify your energy. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can foster a resilient and optimistic mindset that attracts positivity and opportunities. Creating intrigue and curiosity in relationships can enhance attraction and deepen connections. One effective strategy is to keep certain aspects of your life private, allowing an air of mystery that piques interest. When you don't reveal everything about yourself, it invites questions and encourages others to engage more deeply to learn about you. The air of mystery can be captivating. It creates a sense of excitement and anticipation that can strengthen emotional bonds. To engage without oversharing, focus on sharing selective stories or experiences that highlight your personality without disclosing every detail. Ask open-ended questions to encourage dialogue, allowing the other person to share their thoughts and feelings while you maintain an element of intrigue. Additionally, use humor and playful teasing to create a lighthearted atmosphere that keeps the conversation dynamic. By balancing openness with a touch of mystery, you can foster curiosity and maintain a compelling connection. Not over-communicating is crucial for maintaining healthy relationships and fostering mutual respect. Encourage viewers to respond selectively to messages, as this approach can prevent overwhelming the other person and create a more balanced dynamic. When you don't immediately respond to every message, it allows the other person to appreciate your presence and makes them work for your attention, which can enhance their interest and investment in the relationship. This strategy can also help establish boundaries, ensuring that communication remains meaningful rather than excessive. Additionally, prioritizing self-respect in communication is vital. It demonstrates that you value your time and energy. By not over-communicating, you signal to others that you have a life outside of the relationship, which can increase your attractiveness. Ultimately, striking a balance in communication fosters a sense of independence and respect, allowing both individuals to engage more thoughtfully and authentically. Using visualization techniques can be a powerful tool for manifesting desired outcomes in relationships. Encourage viewers to incorporate daily meditation focused on their goals, allowing them to create a mental space where they can envision their ideal scenarios. During these sessions, emphasize the importance of visualizing positive interactions with the person they wish to reconnect with. Imagine engaging conversations, shared laughter, and genuine connection. This practice not only enhances emotional well-being, but also aligns their energy with their desires. One effective visualization exercise involves creating a mental movie where they see themselves confidently approaching the person, expressing their feelings, and receiving a warm response. Another exercise could be visualizing a shared experience, such as a fun outing or a heartfelt conversation, to strengthen the emotional bond. By regularly practicing these visualization techniques, viewers can enhance their attraction and create a more inviting energy that draws others closer. Pursuing personal goals is essential for fostering a fulfilling life and enhancing attractiveness in relationships. Encourage viewers to identify and actively pursue their passions, whether it's through creative endeavors, career aspirations, or personal development. Engaging in activities that resonate with their true selves not only brings joy, but also cultivates a sense of authenticity that others find appealing. Living authentically increases attractiveness as it reflects confidence and self-awareness, qualities that draw people in. Additionally, taking inspired action towards personal dreams can lead to significant growth and fulfillment. This proactive approach not only boosts self-esteem, but also creates a ripple effect, inspiring others to pursue their own goals. By focusing on personal aspirations, viewers can cultivate a vibrant energy that naturally attracts positive relationships. Ultimately, the journey of pursuing personal goals enriches their lives and enhances their connections with others, creating a more meaningful and engaging experience. In summary, we've explored several key strategies for attracting someone back into your life. We discussed the importance of giving space to create desire, maintaining a positive mindset through daily affirmations, and the power of visualization techniques to manifest desired outcomes. Additionally, we emphasized the significance of pursuing personal goals and living authentically to enhance your attractiveness. Now, it's time for you to take actionable steps towards self-improvement. Reflect on these strategies and implement them in your daily life to foster growth and connection. If you found this content valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you on your journey to meaningful relationships and personal fulfillment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.